The acceleration sensor is located behind the headlights. The headlight release mechanism has been redesigned for the 991.2. You now need to move the bumper cover, blue arrow, to access the two 10mm nuts holding the headlights in place, red arrow. If this is the first time doing this, I highly recommend removing the cover completely. There is very little room to work and the cover is easily damaged. If you only slide the cover forward, make sure to cover the area on the cover with tape to avoid damage, red arrow. Please follow the link provided at the end of this video for additional assistance with front bumper cover removal and headlight removal if needed. The sensor is located beside the headlight mount, red arrow. Pull back on the red tab to release the electrical connection, red arrow. Use a 10mm socket and remove the mounting nut. Lift the sensor off of the mount. Clean any dirt or debris off of the mount before installing the new sensor. Installation is the reverse of removal. You may need to reprogram your system with a scan tool. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.